Welcome back to another episode, and in this week's, today is an exciting one. We are travelling north on our way to KINETIC Customs to go and check out the brand new F-16 Raptor hammer that we are helping them launch.
You don't need to
Doing,
knock.
mate? Just come in. How you doing? All right?
Good, yeah, how are you?
Yeah, not bad.
How
are you, mate? You
Nice
okay?
to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Yeah, good.
Try making it homely.
Hello? 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 So we've got hoodies here and then they're laid out there. I don't want to do a little, that's how they are, so to think about how you want to, just when you pull.
What are we doing? Are we opening it first?
Yeah, you can
We'll
have.
open it first for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got down, you got to go down.
Alright, 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. That's the unveiling.
Yes!
There's just piles of hammers everywhere.
Well, how long have you been doing this now? 2 years? 3 years. 3 years.
Tools, punishing hammer.
Oh, the
Square, a shrinking face on the square end and a round face on the other. And I remember ordering it, I paid like £60 for it. As an apprentice, it's a lot of money that, as a sheet metal worker. And I got it, I unwrapped it and everything, and it looked nice from the outside, but I looked at it and the face wasn't square. So I ended up like sanding that nice and square and everything. And a couple of years went by, I thought, I'm gonna make one myself, because we had where we both met at TC Engineering. There was a machine shop there with lathes and milling machines, so we made, drooling everywhere. We made a prototype body hammer there and stuff, and posted it on Facebook, Instagram. People just went nuts for it, so just kind of snowballed from there. But it's like, as an engineer, you have that compulsive mentality of like, I can do better, I can do better. It can be nice finish, it can be harder, or different material grades and stuff like that. So then it just kind of progressed.
Enzo!
Enzo, get down, go on, get down, good boy. Yeah, and he's been with us since day one, hasn't he? Since the fabrication days.
Yeah. Oh, he's found one.
That's the 12 ounce.
Yeah, he found it.
So we are here today at the KINETIC Customs HQ for the launch of the F-16 Raptor.
Now come along with us, where the guys from KINETIC Customs will be showing us step by step on how an F-16 is made.
And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, we'll actually tell you how you can win the one that we make today. Let's go! So this stage is the grip, and it's where they actually take some raw material and turn it into the grips that go on the hammer handles. Joe, do you want to talk us through the machine?
Yeah, so this is our injection moulder. We made ourselves to just fit in the area that we've got in our workshop. We've got the raw material here, fill it up in our hopper.
So we're going to be turning this. Is that in shot?
Yeah, so that's it's TPR, so it's thermoplastic rubber, which is in that our shot. And we've got a little timer there.
Is that just compressed?
Yeah, just comes down on the ram, just compresses it all in there whilst it's all viscous. I'll have a little hold time, come up. And where we filled the hopper in there, just falls down when the ram comes all the way up. And then I'll just push it down again, just to compress that next shot, so I've got more volume.
And then that goes in and fills the mould that you've... Did
Yeah.
you make these?
Yeah, we made the moulds.
So made the moulds on the CNC, made the machine that compresses it, and standing here working it all in one go. So we've actually got one here that's a reject.
Yeah, this is one which got a little bit too hot. The dwell time was a little bit too much, and it kind of balloons because there's a lot of rubber at the bottom. It balloons, and you can kind of
just see a little dimple there.
yeah. it's just a sinkage which you'll get in the rubber.
So what do you do with that now? Just chuck it in the bin?
It actually go into a granulator. It'll get ground down and reusable.
Oh, so turn back
It'll
into
get turned into that.
turn back into that and then reuse them.
Straight back in the machine.
That's what this is, which is computer-aided manufacturing. So this is where you'll generate all your tool paths, where you want that cutter to go, which you're also fine-tuning the speeds and feeds, like the revolutions, the feed rate. There's quite, and every like end mill is slightly different. So that's why we've got this pallet.
Yep.
Which bolts onto the sub plate in the machine. So this is where you put the blank of aluminium. You'll machine the first side and then you'll change those parts onto this pallet, which will then machine side B. So it does take quite a while to machine. It does 6 at a time, 3 16s and 3 14.5-inch handles all at once. So it's as efficient as we can get with the amount of travel that we have on that machine.
That is crazy.
So yeah, it's pretty cool. So it's all about efficiency, and
this is where it first starts. Is this
yeah,
how it
basically
first starts off?
Yeah. So that's 1.5 by 3/4 inch aluminium bar. So it's
It's crazy that
Yeah.
ends up as that.
yeah, complete transformation.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the grade of material is important as well for the shaft of the hammer as well, to give it the strength.
Oh, okay. This is not
Yeah,
just a
so
case
it's
of
not
applying
just a standard grade of aluminium. It's got slightly different mechanical properties in it. So there's a lot of different choices of material out there.
I'm impressed. Very impressed.
So yeah, cool. We'll load a bar up into this and
I'm excited.
press go. You ready?
Yeah.
So that's the pallet loaded up. We've left a few empty spaces. So we're going to do a 16-inch and a 14.5-inch handle.
Yeah.
Program's loaded up. So all you have to do now,
much power. What have we got to press?
press the green button.
This one.
Yeah,
Just once.
just once.
If anyone's going to mess it up, it's going to be me. Ain't it?
It might go wrong.
Whoa! Oh my god. So are these the
And there we
the
are.
finished product?
All done.
So you got 114 and a half and 116 shaft ready to go. Now what's the next step now?
So the next step now is to give them a quick clean up,
Yep.
and then we can laser engrave them for you guys.
Yes.
All right. If it's got any imperfections, I'll put them there.
Right, so the only thing left to finish now is the head, which you're actually going to finish yourself,
That's
aren't
it,
you?
yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going
Pressure's on, Dave.
to grind the powder coating off the face and give a little claws a tickle. I'll just turn this on.
So.
I've let the professional finish it up. I want to make sure that we're giving away a top quality product, you know what I mean?
So that's it, the side's finished, which now blend in with the face and claws, and that's your head, all done. Get yourself comfy.
I feel so important.
Hello, hello!
Now this is the real boss.
Just so you can see
Like a
what's
school kid, you know, where is it there?
dead low. When you go in for parents'
Yeah.
evening, you have to sit on their chairs. You can
I
put
only want to put a
you can put the glue in whilst it's off there if it's easy for you.
It's, one drop.
Yep. Magnet on the
Okay.
end.
We seem to have had a bit of a mayday.
So
Yeah. No pressure. Yeah, straight down. It'll find its hole. Keep going down. Yep. Hold for 5 seconds. Yep. Up, and then that's it.
yeah, Warren did that.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
And then I
Take off. Wipe your excess. There you done. You fitted a magnet. like that, and you'll line up, and so you know which is the front.
Yeah.
Put a hand on top. Hold for 5 seconds whilst it sets, and that's it.
Okay. So,
really easy.
I know. I have got
a bit hard, then. They're a bit hard.
That is so hard to squeeze.
I'm used to it.
You got the grip of a viper, man. Hold fire, boys.
Keep this in.
Oh my god, I'm blanking here. How have you got the grip like? Right. Line it up.
Dead scared.
Put it on here for balance. You just got to keep that straight, yeah, while putting it in. Put a hand on top. And you'll feel it at the bottom. That's it. Yeah, when he gripped there, but
we've got stuck. Yeah. Now all we've got left to do is to put the head on it, man. That's what I want to say. I want to give it what's now. Thank you very much. I've done that every time I put the head on, back to front.
So these are the 2 official Tool Junkies hammers that we're going to be giving away. Once we've driven this nail in here now, we're just going to get them laser engraved, and we'll tell you at the very end how you can win one.
This one's a 14.5, Dave's got the 16. No pressure, but I reckon I'm going to beat Dave on the hammer test.
Which one to beat me?
It's always a competition. And that's why it's a 14.5. So now for the final piece.
I like it, yeah, it looks good. Blue with the raw, it looks smart. Shiny, shiny. Shiny, shiny. You don't want to stop now, do you?
It just feels.
Stop marking the hammers that we're giving away. That's somebody's hammer you're using.
You want to leave me alone? Oh no!
What I wanted to do was test. Hold on. Right, let's get these engraved.
So there you have it, guys. 2 full complete builds of the F-16 Raptor. You've got the 14.5 and the 16-inch, and we'd like to thank you guys for showing us on how it's actually done.
Yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure, lads. Thanks for having us down today. And if you want a chance at winning one of these 2 hammers that we built for you today, engraved with the Tool Junkies on the side, these are 2 of 2, the only 2 that are going to be like this. All you've got to do is comment below which you prefer, the 16-inch or the 14.5. You put a sequence of planes and stuff on, and then it was like everyone knew that new product was coming.
Yeah, so you think about it, it's like people start to associate that name then. The Nighthawk, originally it was like the Nighthawk bomber, you know, that we were putting on stories and stuff like that. So you get that name association then. And then we start posting stuff for the F-22 Raptor, and then it associates that combat sort of hardcore military sort of look, and you see the similarities then in the tools that we make.
I do like that he brought that up, because there's no one else we could ask and say, did you clock that? And you don't want to come across, did you clock our little drop there?